appliancefactory.com.
Hi everyone, this is Chef Mark with Appliance Factory Fine Lines. I'm in the bowels of the ship at Appliance Factory, Mattress Kingdom's flagship location off of 84th Avenue and I-25 in Thornton, Colorado. And I'm here doing some more cooking. You know, I'm the chef for the company, and what I love is when somebody buys a luxury kitchen package, Thermador, Decor. I come with the kitchen for one night, and I get to show people tips and tricks. This is one of my favorite tips to show people. How to work with garlic. You know, they have that garlic in the jar, and I get it if you need to use it. I'm not going to garlic shame you, but you know, I like fresh garlic, and what I do is I just peel off one bulb or one clove at a time that I'm going to need. And here's the thing, one clove of garlic is actually enough garlic for 2 people. So, you know, we love garlic, but it can be easy to overdo it, so just be careful. So in a standard restaurant setting, I kind of consider this enough for 2 people. But I'm going to show you a couple different ways to work with garlic. So I got enough garlic here for a whole dish. 2 cloves will be enough for, let's say, a whole recipe. Okay. So I like to keep it on the bulb, and I just peel off what I need. I think that helps preserve it. And what I don't like to do is come in here and smack it as hard as I can. If I do that, I end up with this puddle of juice, and that's going to burn the second it hits hot oil. So if I do the smash, I give it a little gentle, just enough to loosen the skin. Look at that. You get a nice big chunky clove of garlic without having to smash it, and the skin really just pops off. This one's fighting me a little bit, but there we go. The other thing I do is I just give it a twist and just kind of pinch, and that pops the skin off too. So both of those work great, and then the advantage of that is you get all that beautiful garlic on your hands, and you get to walk around smelling like garlic, which I love. Now, a couple different ways we can chop garlic. That root end we don't want on there, so I always just cut that off. And I just like to slice it, so if I'm doing rustic, I just slice it like that, and I throw it right in the pan, right? And because it's a little bigger, it's not going to burn as easily in hot oil. If I want it smaller, I can go through and mince it a little bit. But again, I just like to leave it kind of big and rustic and chunky. I love those big chips of garlic floating around in soup. I think that's marvelous. And then if I'm adding garlic and I want it to be a little bit more sophisticated, what I do is I hold it by the root end, and I use this tool called a microplane, right? And what I can do is I can just microplane my garlic right up to the root end. You see it's right there, and when I'm ready to use it, I walk up to my recipe, pop, right in the pan. I love that. So this is a couple of ways that I love to work with garlic. I hope you're enjoying working in your kitchen. If you guys have questions, make sure to leave your questions in the comments. Again, this is Chef Mark with Appliance Factory. Thanks for tuning in.
Online or locally, save at appliancefactory.com. Click the link to learn more.